Hello, friends and families and loved ones. I greet you all. I be one of una brother, Mr. B.O. I sure say all of us come out today, go attend our various work and business, come back with no wahala. If not so it take up, make we thank God, know they easy. The thing why I want to be say, you see this happiness each of us has is exclusively ours. Your happiness is exclusive to you. Only you get it. No let anybody rob you of this happiness where God give you. If na wife will give you that wahala, you try, work. I beg, make we JJ live am. Make you live long. Because that wife, will they give you stress, will affect your happiness. Because when you dey stress, you go affect your happiness. And when you know they're unhappy, something they bother you. And so your BP go they go up. And when your BP can they go up, what you go follow? And you say don't get one health challenge. Where go they carry you go hospital? And they go they come more money for your pocket. If now that man will call himself your husband, they give you unnecessary stress where you no need. You try, no work. Make you come out there before you go 6 feet down. They know they give award for person where no get kata for marriage for years. Nobody they give you that award. Now one place where person they stay. Now one school where person they go where they graduate. No here, stay, manage. Every management has an end. Because everything that has a beginning has an end. Once you manage your marriage to a particular point and the thing refuses to work, what do? You just quietly get out of it for your own dear life. So, as you know work, no be say you no go work if you try am some other place, if you fit. If you no fit do like that, if you stay. But no let anybody come between your joy, your happiness, because it matter most, no matter wetin anybody think. That friend where you go to meet, say you and your husband they get kata. That married friend, like you they married, you go tell and say your husband, the money where your husband they give you, no they reach you. Maybe now 5,000 your husband they give you every week, while her own husband they give her about 100,000. Where she go use for 1 week, another week go give her 100,000. Una hand no they poor. If you go meet and say the money where your husband they give you, no they do you. And that friend can tell you, say, leave your husband. No be better friend. If you tell me, say, make you leave your husband, if you leave your husband, what you will they do? Sake of say, money where the man they give you, they do you. And say the other friend, the way you won't go meet, with the married man, or a married woman like you, our own husband get money, well. Your own husband no reach, the money where your own husband get, no reach her own husband own. It won't make it tell you, say, oh yeah, make you come there marry her own husband. If you talk like that, she if you tell you, say, leave your own husband, come marry my own. He go say, he go find somebody for you. All these things now, wash, no agree. If you leave your husband because of say the man no get money today, now serious wahala you dey inside. The one where you won't go meet, where you think say he don't get the money for hand. How you sure say the money go still there tomorrow? If you finish, and he go even come there worse past that man where you live because of saying you don't get money. That's why we have to exercise patience in our marriages. That's why we have to exercise patience in our different relationships. No mind person will go tell you, say, leave your man, leave your woman. You go better. You go where they drink as a man. You carry your wife from attack, come there. They go advise you, say, make you leave that woman before him put you 6 feet down. You go leave her. They will go carry the wife give you, make you marry. Or you think say them themselves, they no get challenge for their house between them and their wife. No man where you see so. Forget about this flashing of the 32. Sometimes reach here and a man person take and cover up as they take clothes cover body. Make you notice say that person, you own, better pass your own. In the facing challenge, but you know how they take manager. So if you tell and say your wife, they give you while they can't tell you, say, may you leave your wife, not bad person. So the best thing for you to do, if you have an issue like that, marital issue, marriage problem, go meet your pastor. When I say pastor, I mean the one where don't marry. No be single guys or all these flashy pastors where they do their hair like this. That one no be the ones why they talk. The one where don't marry, where get wife. Even if you don't get children, as long as the man is married, and you go tell, the man will advise you as a married woman, as a pastor that he is to you, to keep enduring that is going to be better. Unless that kind of problem where they get with your husband, now life-threatening one, the one where you say, if person know waka come out, he go enter 6 feet. He go tell you, say, make you waka because of your life. Otherwise, no pastor will tell you, say, make you leave your wife. Sake of say, the person where you won't go marry outside, and ain't go there better. No man of God will tell you that. Pastor wife no go tell you, say, make you leave your husband. If you go tell and say, see, your husband, they give you wahala, you no get money. See, he no go tell you, as long as say that problem where they get in your home, maybe the one where won't take person life, now money issue, where as you see man today, if you don't get money today, if you get tomorrow, the pastor wife no go tell you, make you leave your husband, come marry her own husband. You know they're possible. Manage your own affairs, your own. Your happiness is exclusively yours. Don't let anybody come in the way of your happiness. If now your mama cut her off, papa cut her off, brother, any person where you be, cut her off. Stay, survive, live life and enjoy it. Life is just once. If you misuse your own, now so you go to blame yourself. So till you go down 6 feet. Until why I won't say, make I tell you. Make una stay well. Bye bye no.